What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Finn from Adventure Time. Let's begin today's lesson on the top center of our page and draw an oval for the face. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top, go all the way around, come across the bottom and up on the right side, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now on either side, we're going to draw two black dots for the eyes. Let's move to the center and draw a curve for the mouth. Now we're going to move up and draw the top of the head. So we're going to step up, curve this slightly across the top, in between the ears. Now let's go back to the left side. We're going to curve this up, around with the ear, and then bring that down. Now I want to bring this all the way down the side of the body towards the bottom of the shorts. So we're going to start on the left side, come straight down. We're going to stop right about there. Let's do the same thing on the right. Straight down. Now I'm going to go back up just underneath the face and add a curve, coming down and up. Let's go all the way down towards the bottom of the shirt, add another curve, coming down and up. Now I want to extend the shorts coming down a little bit further. And I'll round out the bottom of the shorts, coming in. Go straight up towards the body, and we'll follow that same curve across the middle. Let's stick the legs in underneath the shorts. From the corners, we're going to step in, draw two lines, coming all the way down towards the cuff, and do the same thing on the right. Let's round at the bottom, and then we're going to wrap that cuff around the leg. So we're going to step up, draw an oval, going all the way around, and we'll just tuck that in. Now I'm going to line up the inside of the leg underneath the cuff, draw a straight line coming down towards the heel, and we'll round out the bottom of the feet, coming down, round out that foot, and just pull that in. Let's pull this straight up underneath the cuff. Now I'm going to go all the way back up to the top and draw the straps of the backpack. From the bottom edge of the head, we're going to step up, curve this up, come straight down, and we'll bend that back in. Let's line that up on the right side. Now in the center, let's add a curve for a seam. Let's draw on the left arm. We'll start on the side, then it's out, and then in. And we're going to add three small fingers across the bottom. Just curling this back up, add the second finger. Now the third finger, we're just going to pull this up towards the side of the arm, and it'll follow this curve, going all the way back up, and then in behind the strap. Up here, we're going to add a curve for the sleeve. Now on the right side, we're just going to bend the arm coming up. So we're just going to line up the top of the arm, bend this out and down, and then we'll bend that up towards the wrist, and then out. Let's add the thumb. We're going to point this up, going up and then down. Let's add three fingers going out, add the second finger, and then the third finger, just going to pull this in towards the wrist, and we'll follow this curve coming back in behind the strap. Around the bottom, go all the way around the inside, and we'll add the sleeve. Now let's go back and fill the inside of the shoes in black. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Finn from Adventure Time. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.